Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a C program to check whether an entered letter is a vowel or a consonant. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. Let me first show you the output of this program. When this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the character. Then user needs to enter any letter or a character. Let us say I have entered A. Since A is a part of vowel, that's why it will show you it's a vowel. And second time when you execute the same program, and suppose if you enter B, then it will show you it's not a vowel, or you can show other message like it's not a vowel or it's a consonant. So to show this output, I'm using the switch keyword. You can do this program using two approaches, like one method is using switch keyword and another method is using else if else ladder also. So in this program I will be discussing about writing a C program to check whether an entered number is a vowel or a consonant using the switch keyword. Okay, so I will be asking the user to enter the character, and I need to create a variable of type char, let us say ch, and inside the ch variable a will going to store. Then I will pass this ch to switch. Okay, next I will check whether the value stored inside this variable ch is equal to any of the vowel. Switch case a, print its vowel. Case 2, which is b, sorry, ae, ae, print its vowel. Okay, so like this I'll be testing out the value of ch with each and every of these cases where I have stored all the vowels a, e, I, o, u. Okay, if the character or the letter stored inside this variable gets matched with the any of these cases, then this statement gets executed. Otherwise, at the end, default statement gets executed, which says it's not a vowel or it's a consonant. So by using this approach, we will start writing down the program. In next is we need to declare the variable char ch. Next, clear screen. Next, printf. Enter the character. \n. Then store that character. Scanf. Since I'm dealing with characters, so I should use %c as format specifier, and then &ch. Next, I need to pass that ch to a switch. Switch ch. Then I need to check the value of this ch with case 1, which is a. Okay, printf it's a vowel, then break. Okay, so this may be happen that user may enter smaller case a or uppercase a. So for both of these different cases of letters of vowels, you need to put the cases. I will use another case where I will match this ch with smaller case a. Print f it's a vowel, break. Next, case b, sorry, e, e. Okay, print f it's a vowel. Then break, then case, small case letter E, print F, it's a vowel. Close, break. Okay, so like this I need to do for each and every vowel. A, okay, E is done, and I need to do the same thing for I, O, U, for both uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, so at the end I need to use here at the end default, 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 print F, it's a consonant, semicolon, then close this switch bracket, then return 0, and then close the main function. Okay, so like this you can write a C program which checks whether an entered letter is a vowel or a consonant. So I hope you guys have understood. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.